Hi, my name is Carmen Lynch, and we're going to talk about term insurance. Term insurance is a type of life insurance, but it's only for a specific amount of time. So it's life insurance, but it does not have any cash value because it's only for a limited period of time. And you can get term insurance for maybe 10 years or 20 or 30, depending on what you're looking for. It's inexpensive, so it's cheaper than regular life insurance. And if you're only looking for life insurance for a specific period of time, this is probably the kind of insurance that you'd want to go for. And again, it has no cash value. If the person who has this, the beneficiary, say, dies during this term, so say you have something for 10 years and the person dies during this, they will get some kind of cash, something back. That beneficiary will get something. But in general, if the term ends, you are going to have to find a new kind of life insurance because it's only covering that specific period of time. Therefore, that's why it's called term insurance. Thank you.